let's look how Marts and Paula will show us waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with hesitation change, which is first 3 steps of natural turn, and then hesitation with man's heel pull. We continue with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Now we dance progressive chasse to right. We continue with ladies outside step into natural turn and a right foot close change. Now double reverse spin. We use here alternative timing. And open telemark with ladies heel turn, and we finish in promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we start diagonally to wall with hesitation change, first bar, second bar goes down line of dance into corner. Now we move diagonally to center with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Down line of dance with progressive chasse to right. We continue down line of dance with natural turn and move diagonally to center with right foot close change. Now diagonally to center with double reverse spin and down line of dance with open telemark, which we finish ready to move diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.